to look out for this matchup dahil dikdikan ang magiging labanan.
Noticeable kanina pa lang. Pumasok yung mga players.
Amante thought about the three. Amante. Nice pass to Pontevedra.
Wow, great find.
Open man, three-pointer. Too strong. Pontevedra collects. Himself and delivers it for Pontevedra. Bounded by Amante. Thought about the three. Gives it to Pontevedra. Pontevedra will deliver again. 5 seconds remaining. De Leon hands Pontevedra for three. There you go. That is a rare miss for De Leon. And that's another follow-up. And a
Clean
foul.
up those follow-ups. Ang dami ng basket nila through those kind of follow-ups dito sa
Orbistondo, partner. Parang rare opportunity. I only know of another Orbistondo, but let's cut that short. Dungog. Pontevedra for three. Oh my goodness. Inside. Wide open De Leon. Pontevedra though opens the scorer with
shots for them.
long pass. Maago ni Pontevedra and he